Not far to go, nearly home. Finally, the Norway coast in sight. First order of business, getting off the ferry and getting out of the port of Kristiansand. Very ominous skies ahead. Here it is, the Ansgar Summer Hotel. This is the reception building of the hotel I'm staying today, just outside of Kristiansand. Here my actual room is in a different building, an outbuilding. Yeah, that's building B. Welcome to my hotel room. Very functional. For whatever reason, the blinds are closing now. Now it's got a good view, got a bit of space. Bathroom here. Hello. The host Nobuon. I was meeting friends here for dinner. Next morning, on the way to Stavanger, experiencing some of the wet stuff. Nicely decorated roundabout ahead. I'm here at the Mega Co-op in Tananga, and this is where the EFSA trophies are. Just have a look. in memory of Arthur Sandford. All of that to come next week. Yeah, I must congratulate Roar and EFSA Norway for this nice display. Different type of hotel room again at the Clarion Energy in Stavanger. It's all very nice, very modern. A view to the fjord. Hello. Bathroom and shower cubicle. Happy days. Hotel Energy Clarion. What a lovely big modern hotel. And a view into Stavanger.